Welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna get straight into this and explain my absence as of late. I think it's probably been about a week and a half since I've uploaded a video. I have kind of got into it a little bit on my Instagram and my Twitter account if you do follow me on those. So since I've had my new camera, I've been struggling to find a good free video editing program on my laptop. And so if any of you do know of any that you use that I don't have on Mac, so I can't use iMovies on that. I've actually got, it's a HP laptop, and I don't know much about Windows Movie Maker, but I haven't either been able to find a download of that. So if anybody knows of a program or software that can help me out, then please just comment just down below, and I'd be very much appreciated. So for now, because as it is Halloween tomorrow, as I'm filming this on Tuesday, I wanted to just do just some kind of a Halloween makeup tutorial for you, as I haven't been able to upload the ones I have done. So I'm filming this off my phone, and I'm just going to edit it on my iMovies on my phone and hopefully get it up for tomorrow night, so that's Halloween night for you guys. So enough babbling. I think I'm going to do another skull tutorial for you today, because I do need a lot more work on those, and I've got a few ideas that I want to try out as well. So enough talking from me, let's get straight into the video. Okay, you guys, so that is the final look that I've got for you. I'm actually really pleased with the results of that. I think I still definitely need to work on the shading that I've got, but I'm really happy with the colours that I've chose. I hope you guys have had, by the time you probably see this, an awesome Halloween, and I hope that some of my younger followers have had tons of fun trick-or-treating and are now munching on all their yummy treats. So follow me on my Instagram if you aren't already, which is holly with an ie.rutter, and also follow me on my Twitter account, which is holly_makeup. So until next time, guys, take care.